take my time.
What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Unless this is your first time here, my name is Matthew. We just dropped off our first batch of the day. It was a beautiful Ralph's order, ended up being a $73 double. Today is the day before the 4th of July. So you guys are obviously watching this after because I have to edit it and stuff. So I hope you guys killed it the day before and the day of 4th of July. Anyways, we dropped off kind of in the middle of nowhere, so I'm getting out of here. I'm still not fully awake yet because I took that batch before 6 a.m. My goal was to get out super early today because I had a feeling it was going to be good early. I'm super glad they sent that batch to me. I'm starting to get hit with some notifications right now, so I'm going to get back on the screen. I feel like today's going to be a great day. Thanks you guys for tuning into this video. I'm going to do my best to make it entertaining and provide some value for you guys at the same time. So I'm going to get back on the screen and I'm going to let you guys know when I pick up my next batch. All right, you guys, we picked up a 75 double store triple order. This should be fun. It's 8 a.m. Obviously, I'm not going to pass this up. I blind tapped it. This is going to put me over like $130 on the day, and I should be able to get to Costco drop, hopefully with plenty of time. Feeling good about today. Gonna grab a cart, head in. This order is a single order, and then I drive to Walmart and they are a double order. So let's get this going. You guys already saw it. Pulled a 59 Costco Business Center, 13 miles west. Single 15 items, easy money. We're gonna run up, grab a flat, and get this going. You guys, that one put me over 200 on the morning. It's a little bit past 11 right now. Not seeing a bunch of volume, but I'm sure as soon as I get closer to some stores, there's gonna be some good volume. Super grateful for this start. Hopefully you guys are killing it whatever day you guys are watching this. Now that customer was a repeat, so I think that's why I got her when I wasn't at the store. Anyways, we're gonna head to some stores. I'll let you guys know as soon as I pick up my next one. All right, you guys, we picked up a 51 single. This customer has 9 deli items, so sticky notes, told them what we need so I can shop the rest of the groceries. That would take a lot of time if I was standing at the deli counter for that long. So heading up to Ralph's right now, grabbing the cart, and we'll get this shop going. Guys, this is pretty insane. 8 minutes after dropping off that last order, it was a repeat. I've had it before. This popped up right here. So 14 items. I need to find a cart. Anyways, we're gonna get this going right now. Alright, you guys, we picked up 34 single, going like a mile. Should be easy. Gonna run in here, run through this. Alright, you guys, we picked up an 83 double. This is a little bit of work, a little bit grippy. 7 items for one customer and then the rest for the other. So gonna try to keep this rolling. We're on a pace. Try to just keep this moving. Hopefully stay consistent. You guys, after that last drop off, this 115 popped up on my screen. I accidentally tapped a 40 of some other store. Went back, this was still sitting. I have no idea how I got this batch, but it is an absolute gift. Gets me over 640 on the day. We're gonna get right to it. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, I never finished filming my last few orders last night. And the reason for that is because I wanted to maximize my time instead of filming. Trying to run through batches quicker. It does take a little bit more time when I film. And I thought I had a chance to hit like 750 or 800. Obviously, I didn't. But it was an absolutely ridiculous day. I did do a few more orders after I stopped filming. And I'll show you guys the breakdown of my day at the end of the video. So I do apologize for not filming the end of my day and my last few orders. Honestly, it wasn't that exciting. So it's not like you guys missed out. It was an absolutely insane day. So many things felt handed to me, so I was pretty spoiled with a couple of the orders. But I'm sure we all have those days where Instacart has just really put us on the top tier and they're taking care of us. And it's like, you gotta take advantage of Instacart when they do that. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos. If you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. And I always love hearing about video ideas from you guys. So if you guys have video ideas you want to see me do, drop those in the comments. And just drop any comments, honestly, you guys. I love engaging, love talking to you guys, the ups and downs of Instacart, because, you know, there's a lot that goes on that doesn't get talked about. So I hope you guys are killing it or killed it today. I want to thank you guys once again for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.